much, Councillor King. Item 1, apologies. We have Councillor Mack and Councillor Boddy and Councillor Truman. Could I have a move, please, for those to be accepted? Thank you, Councillor Westerman. Moved by Councillor Westerman, seconded by Councillor Leonard. All those in favour, please say aye. Against? Carried. Item 2, any conflicts of interest pertaining to the items today? No, we'll move on then. 3.1, adoption of the annual plan 2022-23. 3.1. We have a couple of lovely ladies in front of us.
Good morning.
Morning, ladies. Morning.
Good
Nice
morning.
to see you back, Jeanette. Hope you're well.
Good morning, everyone. My name's Briar Forlong, and I am in the policy team, and I've been working on the annual plan. One of the team working on the annual plan for 2022-23. So the purpose of today is to bring the plan to you for adoption. So a little bit of a background on the journey we've been on to get here today. The annual plan has provided the opportunity for us to respond to changing context, high inflation rates, rising interest rates, and supply chain shortages by modifying our work plan and budgets for the 2022-23 financial year. It signals material differences to year 2 of our long-term plan. Earlier in the year, we consulted on some of those material changes to year 2 of our long-term plan, an increase to the town centre Taupō management rate, some changes to our fees and charges, and these were adopted at the hearings on the 23rd of May, and an update to our significance and engagement policy, which was also adopted at hearings on the 23rd of May. We received 53 submissions in total on our annual plan consultation and heard from 11 submitters at hearings. At the hearings, most of the proposed changes were agreed to, with the one exception being our proposal to bring forward the second bridge investigation. This will remain in our long-term plan for the 2025-26 financial year. So what is the impact of all of this on rates? We must adopt an annual mechanism in which we set rates. There has been a slight adoption this year. However, this is our thinking on this. This means that we can set rates retrospectively, so from the 1st of July 2022 through until the 30th of June 2023. In our long-term plan, we forecast a 7.35% increase to rates for this financial year, and due to our economic conditions and the requirement placed upon us to purchase carbon credit, more expensive carbon credits, our consultation document forecast an 8.35% increase. We've had the opportunity through the planning process to further limit our operating budgets, adjust our revenue assumptions, and defer our some operating expenditure, and the final rates number we have now is at 7.07% rates increase. So just to finish up, I will take the rest of the paper as read, noting that there are 2 recommendations there. The first one is to adopt the annual plan for the 2022-23 financial year, and the second one is just to note that the annual plan will undergo graphic design work, and we will get that up on the website. Jeanette and I are happy to take any questions from you.
Thanks, Brian. Thank you very much. Very well explained. Jeanette, nothing to add there?
No, nothing to add.
Cool, thank you. Councillors. Councillor Park.
Oh, yes, thank you. Brian, that's an average rate increase, isn't it, just to clarify? Thank you.
Yes, sorry.
Yes, yeah, thank you.
Councillor Williamson.
Just wanted to clarify, obviously, the benchmarks on page 14. I mentioned to Angie the other day about the affordability benchmark. It's 200%, shouldn't it be 225%?
Yes, that's correct. We will change that and publish it.
Thank you. I just thank you all for pretty much all the work you're doing. It's nice to hear back, Jeanette, as well.
Thank you, Councillor Williamson. Any other questions of Brian, Jeanette here? All right, there's a resolution there, I suppose. Well done, well done. That's incredible where we've got to, luckily with the inflation rates going, running rampant at the moment. Hopefully it's peaked at 7.4, they say yesterday. It's supposed to come down now, but and to come under the long-term plan forecast as well. Thank you to the team that sits behind you as well. Okay, 1 and 2. Do I have a mover, please? Moved by Councillor Williamson, seconded by Councillor Guy. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against? Carried. Item number 3.2 is the actual numbers. Rates resolution 89. Tony, Revenue Manager. Good. Good morning. How are you? Good. Right. Very good. Any questions of Tony? Okay. There's a resolution there somewhere, is there? Yeah, Councillor Westerman. That's all one. Yeah, okay. All right. No other questions of Tony? No? Easy, Tony. Okay, the whole thing's a resolution, so could I have a mover? Please, thank you, Councillor Taylor, seconded by Councillor Rankin. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against? Carried. Thank you very much, ladies. Lovely. Job done. That's it. Meeting closed. Is it? Oh, nothing else, is there? There's no confidential? Yeah. Thanks, Councillor Kingy. Do you mind giving us a blessing? That's where we're finished. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Very good. Now we've got the waters